Hey, what's up, everybody? For those of you that are meeting me for the very first time, my name is Crystal. I'm your results and transformation coach, and I wholeheartedly believe in total transformation. When we work on our mindset, our body, which is our nutrition and fitness, and our spirit, we get to become the best version of ourselves. So, that brings me to my announcement. I am excited to present to some and introduce to others. Drum roll, our amazing community. I've created a space for women that is looking to evolve and elevate into the woman that God created you to be. And in this community, you are constantly reminded that you are strong, you are loved, and you are worthy. So let this be the month that you choose to step into your God-given potential. In this community, we cover all three pillars of total transformation. So let's talk about mindset. I really believe that mindset is everything. When we choose to change our mindset, it literally will change our life. True transformation starts in the mind. We have journaling prompts and mindset exercises to help you build resilience, confidence, and discipline. So now let's talk about the body, which is your nutrition and fitness. So you will receive nutrition guidance on micronutrients, macronutrients, supplements, and balanced eating so you can fuel your body effectively. Plus live cooking workshops. Your girl loves to eat. And the cooking workshops is created to help you make healthy eating easy and enjoyable. Because what I will never do and I will never suggest that you do is sit down and eat food that is not pleasing to your palate. So let's talk about fitness. Anybody that know me know that your girl love a good workout. As a certified personal trainer, I created structured home and gym workouts designed to help you move with purpose and to build strength at any level. And let's talk about spirit, which I believe is the foundation to all. What God had for me is for me, and what God had for you is for you. But if we don't walk wholeheartedly in that and really believe that through faith, because faith is actually getting into action. So I love encouraging, supporting, and pushing the women to walk in that. With God, there is no such thing as failure. So we get to strengthen our relationship with God through scripture, prayer, and moments of quiet reflection. Align your goals with His purpose for your life and walk boldly in His light. We have Bible based topics where we'll hop on our celestial calls where we'll pray together. And then we have our devotional. And then I think what's been really golden is the conversation that we get to have afterwards. This is a safe space where you can open up, share your testimony, share your wins, share your struggles. Like, this isn't just a place you come and just, pop up when all is well. We are here to support you. We're here to pray for you. We're here just to lock arms and to be elevated. We all get to become the woman that God created us to be. So I am like, my heart is so full. I'm excited. If you heard anything that you like, all you have to do is fill out the form and hop in and join us and bring other women along with you. Each of us need all of us, and all of us need each of us. And I think I got a couple other things I need to cover. Also, each month, if you choose to participate, you do not have to. It is something that I offer in the community each and every month. We have a body transformation challenge. If you want, you can send me your before pictures and you send me your after pictures, and the top transformations will receive a prize. It will be a cash prize and or gifts. There'll be other prizes too throughout for your participation. So we have an app. It's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. I'm excited to welcome you to our family. I pray that you heard something that is going to inspire you to join us. And again, if you have other women, this is a faith-based community that is encouraging, motivating, and supporting women to evolve and elevate into the woman that God created you to be. So with that being said, I pray that you heard something that's going to move you, inspire you to join our community. And, I always say each of us need all of us and all of us need each of us. So if you know other women that is like-minded, that is looking to evolve and elevate into the woman that God called them to be, please feel free to invite them. So you have the most amazing day ever, and I'll talk to you soon.